I was always fascinated about those habits that we have, those steps that we take every day without even thinking about it. It's just like progress doesn't happen in that dramatic moment, but slowly, surely, with those small little steps that we take every day, and we don't give that much credit to it. Once I was thinking that if I don't make a grand leap, I'm not progressing. Then I understood that progress shouldn't be overwhelming. But progress is just like a seed in those small little steps that we take. And when we nurture it, it becomes to much bigger power. Today I want to talk to you about the power of the habits that we have and how we can use it as our allies, add to it, understand it, realize it. And those small habits, seemingly and slowly, can make such a great difference, and they hold such a great power that often we don't give credit to it. I used to think that if I'm not motivated, I can't do anything. But then I realized how unreliable motivation can be. Motivation is someday there, someday no. But habit is different. You do it in an automatic way. I'll give you an example. A simple example of brushing your teeth. You don't wake up in the morning and think, am I motivated to brush my teeth? You do it and that's it. Then it was a relief to understand that I didn't need the motivation. What I needed was to build those habits that they would carry me through without even realizing, and when the motivation was nowhere to be found. As James Clear in Atomic Habits says, you don't rise on a level of your goals, you fall on a level of your system. Those systems are habits that you build every day, those actions that you take that are your allies, and you do it every day without even realizing it. There is a power. When you repeat a behavior every day, your mind masters it. For instance, you walk in a forest. At the beginning it sounds overwhelming, difficult, and you're going through a path that is unknown. But when you repeat it every day, your mind masters it. You can close your eyes and your mind guide you through that path without even you notice it. Habits can be your best allies or even your worst enemy. When you build a good habit, you make life easier for yourself. For instance, if you do yoga for 2 hours in one day, it doesn't make that much of change in your life. Maybe you wake up in the morning and you have pain in your body. But when you do it constantly and repeatedly, 5 minutes even a day, after a month you created a momentum and it becomes a habit in your life. And that 5 minutes become 10 minutes and you feel and see a great change in your health. Now the question is how we build a new habit. For me, it's the simplicity. If it's too big, it's too overwhelming. Start to add small habits in your daily routine. Another interesting thing is habit stacking. For instance, you have already a habit and you add another habit to those moments. For me, it was to add mindfulness and meditation during the time that I was making my coffee. Adding a habit to another habit is much easier to be consistent. And the good thing is that you shouldn't be always perfect. I started with one day, yes, the other day, perhaps I could forget it. But then, if you repeat it constantly, it becomes a habit. After a year, for me, is a moment of making a coffee, meditation, and focus on my day plan. The beauty of those habits is that it's just like investing in your own life. More you see the progress with those small steps, more you add to it, whether it's 5 minutes yoga or manifesting the life that you desire during that 5 minutes that you're making your coffee. Don't underestimate it. They can make a huge change and shape your future. At the end of the day, changes doesn't happen at once. Changes happen with those small, consistent steps that you take every day. Think about what is the habit that you're going to add to your life right now, today, that can bring you more closer to the life that you desire. If you like this video, share it with someone who perhaps need to listen to it. Subscribe to my channel, and I see you next time.